Samsung launched a new Galaxy A series smartphone, Galaxy A54, in early March 2023. Now, mid-range Hero is getting its first firmware update, and it's not a minor one like a routine security patch. Instead, Samsung claims that the very first update for the Galaxy A54 5G somehow improves the already impressive camera. The latest update of Galaxy A54 enhances the behavior of the camera app to provide a better experience. Also, it installs February 2023 security patch to improve the system security of the device. Aside from this, the update also upgrades a bundle of One UI apps including Samsung Notes add-ons, Zone, Galaxy Shop members, Wallet, Samsung TV Plus, voice recorder, SmartThings, and more to the latest version. According to the information, February 2023 update is currently rolling out for Galaxy A54 models in Europe. The update is rolling out gradually, so it may take some hours/days to reach all of 54 models. Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone gets its first firmware update with PDA version A54 6BXX-U1 AWC4 and weighs 227.73 megabytes package. If you have got the notification of the update, then install it now. It's unclear how the Galaxy A54's camera was improved through this first firmware update. The camera experience is already surprisingly good, boasting optical image stabilization and flagship-grade autofocus capabilities. If you plan on buying the Galaxy A54 5G, this new update should be waiting for you once you unbox the phone. To install it, open the Settings app on the device, navigate to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G comes with an impressive design, multiple advanced features, better day-night cameras, powerful security, new picture editing tools, and more. It packs with a 6.4-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and vision booster feature. The Galaxy F54 features a 50-megapixel main camera along with a 32-megapixel front camera, an octa-core Exynos 1380 processor, the latest Android 13-based One UI 5.1 software, and more. The main thing to highlight is that the smartphone is eligible for 4 major OS upgrades. Also, here's the good news for all Indian viewers. The Galaxy A34 5G and the Galaxy A54 5G are now available for purchase in India. Official link in description. Check out for amazing cashback and free gifts. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.